Look, y'all, I'm sorry that I ain't posted no videos in a couple hours or something. But y'all, I'm trying to be safe and like stay off YouTube for a little bit and be safe, if you know what I mean. But y'all, I don't know if it's raining where you guys are at, but it is raining here in Manchester, Kentucky. Check it out, y'all. Yeah, everybody, the rain is you close the store right here. Y'all, I'm gonna go walk out in it. Wish me luck, y'all. Hopefully I don't get soaked. Look, I'm gonna just leave my phone, which is my camera, right here on the table, so it don't get wet. Oh. Y'all, that does not feel good. That rain is cold and wet, y'all. But guys, wash my hair a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But guys, just giving y'all a little update on why I ain't posted in a while for a couple hours. That's why. Yo, I'm gonna go do it again. Let's go. Ah. Bro. Y'all, look at my hair, brothers. Alright, this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yee.